pretty. Let's water the flowers over here. Okay, I have the water. Wow, look at all the sunflowers. Let's plant some seeds over here. I found a purple bug on this leaf.
They laugh and help each other while learning how plants grow.
Let's get these leaves in the wheelbarrow. I'll help push it when it's full. We did it! The garden looks great now. Let's plant the sunflower seeds right here. Okay, I'll get the water ready. I found a big worm. Look how fast the water comes out. It's my turn now. Look, a little bird. It's so cute. Let's go see the flowers too. Ready? Push hard. It's heavy, but we got it. Wow, look at the butterflies. And look, we can use these shovels. I want the red bucket.
I'll cover them gently, just like that.
I hope mine grows fast.
It will if we give it sunshine and water.